Ibadallah, those are the days where the Prophet of Allah encouraged us to make the takbir and the tahleel. So Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar kabira. Allahu Akbar kabira, Allahu Akbar wa ajal, Allahu Akbar wa lillahi alhamd. This is the food of your heart. When you're hungry, you eat. And when you're thirsty, you drink. And you are for the lust, you go and get married. But when your heart is weak, you go to the dhikr of Allah. Ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Verily, by the remembrance of Allah, the hearts will settle and calm. The one who's got the heart filled with the dhikr of Allah is a live heart. And the one whom his heart is filled with everything apart from the dhikr of Allah, filled with grudge and hatred, envy, how to make the people preoccupied by gossiping, he is a dead heart. So the heart which is full of dhikr of Allah, we started already, ya ibadallah. The first 10 days of the Hijjah, already we have started. We had 2 nights already passed. A day had been passed of dhikr of Allah. Do not lose this opportunity. And make sure that you do as much as you can fasting, as much as you can giving charity. Don't count, just give for the sake of Allah. Masjid, charity, poor person, give. Don't say, oh, I gave £5, let me register it. No, give. Just like you've been giving Ramadan, give for the sake of Allah. Also, recitation of the Quran. And the best of the deeds that the person can perform during these days, no doubt about it, is the Hajj. The Hajj is the one that will give you the absolute biggest reward, sin forgiving. As we're going to see from the hadith, I'm going to narrate inshallah in my second part of my khutbah. Ibadallah, these are the days that we are encouraged by the companions, Abdullah ibn Umar, Abu Hurairah, to make takbir. They came out in Mina making takbir. وَكَانَ السُّوقُ يُكَبِّرُ بِتَكْبِيرِهِمَا. And the market, whole of the people, they used to straight away respond to this takbir by making takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, wa lillahi alhamd.